This is Lesson 5, Nature's Way. Nature does a great job of cleaning dirty water from natural sources. Water is cleansed in the water cycle when it evaporates and when it filters through the ground. A solar still imitates the evaporation that takes place in nature and captures the clean water. Knowing how to make a solar still could be a survival skill in some parts of the world. To begin, you will need a bucket of water with assorted dirt, dry leaves, and other pollutants, and a clear quart container. Put a gallon or two of water in a bucket and mix in the assorted dry, dirt, and other pollutants. Pour some of the mixture into the clear container and save the rest for later. For the opening discussion, hold up the clear container of dirty water and ask the kids, would you want to drink this water? The lesson plan has suggestions for discussion. For the solar still, each team of kids will need a quart-sized plastic tub, a small glass shorter than the tub, 2 small clean rocks or glass marbles, plastic marbles would float, some dirty water, clear plastic wrap to fit over the tub, rubber bands, and access to sunlight. To make a solar still, put an inch of dirty water into the plastic tub. That's good. Put the small glass into the water in the center of the tub. If it is plastic, anchor it with a small rock or a marble. Cover the tub with plastic wrap, letting it sag just a little over the center, and secure it with a rubber band. That's good. Place the second rock or marble on top of the plastic wrap and center it over the glass. Do not let the rock touch the glass. Place the setup in a sunny window for a week or so. Clean water will collect on the underside of the plastic and drip down into the glass. Soil filtration is the final activity in this lesson. Kids make different mixtures of 2 kinds of soil to find out which kind of soil makes the better filter. Water seeps through the ground and it gets filtered, removing even tiny particles such as bacteria, but it does not remove chemicals that are dissolved in the water. For each team of kids, you will need a strainer or a funnel with filter paper, some dirty water, sand, dirt, 2 clear containers, paper towels, and a small scoop or a tablespoon. To set up the filtering system, use the strainer or the funnel lined with filter paper. Place it securely over the collecting container. Gather a sample of each kind of soil on pieces of paper towel. Kids will decide how much of each to mix together and place in the strainer setup. Or do you want to mix them together first?
I was going on.
Pour dirty water into the strainer setup and observe what happens. The water is coming through cleaner. You can introduce septic tanks and outhouses as facilities that depend on soil filtration and composting to handle sewage. The book Earth, Fire, Water, Air by Mary Hoffman and Jane Roy contain many short essays which can be used to enhance learning about our environment.